Alright, so what is good? Man, this thing is lagging, I don't know why. Okay, look at how long it takes to react. Anyways, uh, man, this is so stressful. I wanted to continue the backtesting session because it was going quite slow. But if the frames keep dropping, then I think I will close the day at that. Now, we can see that the 4 hour has been dropping recently. Right here, the 1 hour is rejecting these gaps here. So there's a chance we could hit these lows here. Where are the Asia lows though? We also have London lows here. Asia lows have been taken. So we have a 2 hour as well here. So that's why I'm not considering this 1 hour here. I'd like to see price continue lower without any other disruptions. So we just gotta wait and see. Okay, right at the open, we fall short of this high here. Okay, good run on liquidity now. Okay, then you get a crazy 15-minute inversion. So apparently price probably wants to go higher. So this is the peer 3 of the next 15-minute candle forming up and a small 5-minute gap retracement, but I think I'd like to wait for the next candle to open, which you can see opens really aggressively, then heads lower. Wow. So this was a good 5-minute close. I mean, I would like to try shorts, but then the stop will be really big. That's why I wouldn't like to try something like this. Except if price is really bearish to go all the way to give us at least like something like a 1-to-1. So break even would be once price hits these lows, 0.49. To break even on a rod of 0.5 will be selling here. Stop. Ayo. Yeah, break even. That was so obvious. I knew it was gonna be break even because of the way price was moving at the point. Yeah. Okay. So checking the 1 hour, you can see that this gap here has been inversed and the 4 hour closed bearish. I mean, I would really like to short it. The 5 minutes crazy bullish. So I'm not gonna be trying to short it. Looks like it's going higher. Just gotta wait and see. Okay, let's see maybe if we can get a PO3 entry here. I'd like to see a retracement into the 15-minute there. Okay, now let's wait if we Let's see if we can get a rejection. 15 minute is rejecting quite good. 1 minute inversion, 2 minute inversion, 3 minute, 4, 5. So if it taps into this 5 minute, a big hitting or break even point. Let's try out longs. Okay, very good movement right there. Yes, already hit the target. Gang. This is an obvious point to close. Yeah. Obvious area to close because price is moving very, very choppy here. Okay, so price is still bullish, even though the day has opened somewhat bearish and could start going higher later. 4 hours consolidating doesn't look quite good. The 1 hour, nothing interesting here, but nothing is interesting in this price action. I can see that there is a small gap here that's holding, but oh, okay, 30 minute gap here as well. So also have these lows here. Damn, this thing can't even stream in 1080, bro. I have a run here. I'd like to see continuation lower though. SMT at the highs. Inversion formed here. Oh no, not the 3 minute. So if we use the 1 minute or the 2, at least we can get something good. 2 minute has inversed. I'll be taking longs. Stop at these lows. I would like to see these highs here get taken like this here. Banger. So crazy inside trade, price consolidating. I wouldn't like to trade anything else in this price action here. I'd like to see something else other than this. Next day, buy side here, 4 hour, nothing. Now we have a retracement into this gap here, and there is nothing just yet. $15 retraced into this gap here and out on the block, and I would like to see price start going higher. 15-minute here. Run on liquidity. 5-minute has just inversed. I'd like to take longs now, because if price was to manipulate, I think it should have dropped like by the time price opened. Let's try it longs like this. Yeah. No. I think this position was closed beforehand. Now, no break even will be at 1.5 or 6. Okay, so take profit at this high here. Okay, let's go to the next day. We've made a realized P&L of 147, and that's 3 times 300% return. Damn, that's good. We got a 5-minute retracement at 9:45. Let's see what happened at 9:45 here. 9:45 also put in an inversion here, and after inversing, price retraced into the inversion and then started going higher very beautifully. Okay, let's see what is to happen now. And to anyone who's watching the video, I expect it to lag because my OBS is kind of freezing, but yeah, we'll have to stand with that. Five-minute retracement into a small gap here. Let's try out some stuff. I'm gonna be tape reading this though. Wow, take profit in minutes, literal minutes. So that would have been a very beautiful trade though. Very beautiful trade. Anyways, we had a very good 4-hour retracement here. We're still bullish. We have a very crazy Asia move. I'd like to see it head to this 2 here, to a second standard deviation. I'd like to see price head to that second standard deviation. 15-minute, very beautifully bullish. Oh, Okay, we have a very beautiful high right here. Have, let's see, 1 hour crazy inversion. I'd like to see this 2 hour hold though. Yeah. Okay, that's a crazy drop. Somebody made NQ angry, and who is that? Because it's dropping very aggressively. Okay, there's a 5-minute gap retracement. 2-minute gap. I'd like to wait for the 2-minute though. Okay, then 15-minute gap retracement. Okay, there's the inversion. Let's try shorts, then inversion, then one move break even there. Oh, crazy stop out. And don't tell me price is going to take profit after stopping me out. Ah, it does. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go on the other day now. Oh man, this thing is so slow. I hope it's not impacting the stream. I believe it is though. Come on, okay, let's reload this. Man, NQ is taking like a day to load. Finally. Anyways, I was doing my analysis here. You can see that the 1 hour had a good retracement into this gap. The 4 hour, no retracement just yet, but I will overall be leaning bullish unless market proves me otherwise. We already have a very good 15-minute inversion and a 5-minute retracement. Very beautiful one. I'd like to see price actually shoot up right at the open. Oh, crazy. Okay, this is crazy movement. 15-minute closed extremely bearish. I'd like to see if we can have at least a recovery. See you can be. Low after low, low after low, down. So this is an extremely bearish time. The 4 hour end up dropping heavily. I think maybe be going into these lows, but I will be having low hanging fruit targets because price is moving quite crazy here. Okay, get a 15-minute gap retracement. Like to see it now. Show me some signs of rejection. We have a good 2-minute inversion here. I believe it's not a 5. If it's a 5 minutes here, I'll be closing at break even. So we'll be taking short something like this. Break even at 0.7 here. 0.7. 6.5. Wow. Wow. I mean, this trade could have been a great one, but it was consolidating way too much, and it ended up stopping me at break even, which makes sense because this shows that the 5-minute was rejecting week 1, week 2, week 3, and you obviously should close the position. So that's what I did right there. Very good trade handling. Now let's go to the next day. Hour. We have a very beautiful gap retracement in the 4-hour. One-hour gap here. No SMTs. It's also 2-hour gap, so I still think price could go lower. 15-minute gap. I'd like to see this one get burst because the high time frame is bearish, obviously. Okay, right at the open you get a very beautiful run on liquidity. Hoi. Oh, very crazy drop. Okay, well, get a very beautiful version right there, and let's try out shorts. Alright, now let's wait for some sort of retracement. SMT right here. Okay, let's try out longs 1-to-1s. 0.4. Yeah, buddy. We take profit in a few minutes. Very, very good move. Let's try another long again. Timber has burst. Let's take the risk against 3k. Longs. Banger again. And this will lock us how much? Whoa, wait. 140k. You think the recent position should be in profit? Let's see. How is it 0? What do you mean the position is 0? Nah. You would rather close your break even. You can see that most of the recent positions weren't even closed, man, because of this auto break even. Start of New York AM. For a moment I thought this thing was burning. Anyways, I got a very beautiful inversion right here. Let the see price continue higher, but we also have a very huge gap here and a liquidity run, so I think price will head to these lows. Most importantly, these Asia lows. I think I'd take shorts at this 15-minute inversion, and it's also 5-minute. Why doesn't it drop right away? Run away. Run away. Asia lows, where you at? No. Why would it? How many points is this? 7. Damn. So not the lows, but if I lose now. Okay, wait for it. Ah. What is wrong here, man? What did I do wrong here? Seriously, what did I do wrong? I had to hold this for the whole day. Whole trading day, man. Very crazy trading day here though. Four-hour gap retracement. You can spot it right here. Very beautiful liquidity run, and price is going higher, so like take longs towards these high. Now we might also get a retracement into this 15-minute here, because that's where longs could be great. So you can right at the moment, we're right at the open, bro. Right at the open. Cut me some slack at least, man. Seriously, why would it move like this? Right at the open. Oh, crazy move. Okay, 15-minute gap retracement. I'll be taking longs at this inversion right here, which we get right away. You can try out longs because we have low resistance liquidity right here. Ah, crazy sweep out, but yeah, I still believe price is bullish. SMT right here. Consolidation. I wouldn't take this trade. Yeah, this was a very good move higher. 4 hour is retracing. I'd like to see it at like to these lows here. 1 hour is also here, so I'd like to see price go higher. Okay, so 2-minute inversion created, and we have an obvious high. It's a data high. Man, who buys 36 contracts of NQ, man? Let me get stopped out. Shaka? Your phone? Inaribia ifate. Ugiye gukora ubu ngubu? Ugiye gukora ubu ngubu? Nguhe office siko ngenda ndagusoza. Alrighty. Let's do one more day of the backtesting before 12 a.m. For our retrace into this gap, I'd like to see price continue all the way to these highs. 15-minute gap here, I'd like to see it get inversed as well, because we're bullish, right? Right. Okay, very good open. That was not 2 minutes, so it could as well use. Nah, this was not an inversion. So we'd use this one here. Target this high. Have my stop around here. You give me hope, oh, you can be all my. Yeah, this week was really crazy. I thought it was going to reverse there, but it will be the most insane reversal I've ever seen. Okay, I'd like to see this 2-minute reverse if we truly are bullish. And you can see the 2-minute reversed. Let's try longs once again. If we get stopped, then we're cooked. That's way easy. You can figure that out by the way these things look like. Longs again. You and me, oh. Hey, bro. SMT at these highs. Now I'm moving to break even here. How? Yeah, buddy. End up closing in profit. So very beautiful 1.95 R. So see you next time, guys. Stay blessed.